See stiff wet, stiff wet. Hey guys, it's Kinky with Cheese here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you. So today we're going to be doing a kind of a product review and a tutorial with Obia Naturals. I was looking for products to try on, new products to try on, and I went to the beauty store and I was just walking past it. I'm like, Obia Naturals, let me just, grab it and see what it does to my hair. First, it's black owned, so that's good. Second, is vegan, and if you're a vegan, that will be useful to you. And thirdly, she's Nigerian, so I decided to take it off. I bought the they're quite expensive, really, quite expensive, but I was willing to give it a try, you know supporting our black sisters. So I got the why am I trying to remember this off? So I got the coil enhancing custard, and okay, and the Babassu, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this thing wrong, please bear with me. Babassu deep conditioner, and I got the neem and tea tree oil shampoo bar. I don't know, I kept the pack. I don't know if my husband has helped me, but yeah, so I got these three products, and I think all of them boiled down to like $54 or something, which is quite expensive, you know but it gave me this lovely jumbo loose twist. I didn't Okay, first of all, my hair has grown. It has grown, and I'm proud of myself. So I'm like, I have long hair now, you know. I'm happy. Yep. Anyway, so it gave me this shiny twist. These are loose um jumbo twist. If you guys want to see how the products work on my hair, stay tuned and you won't regret it. But before we get into the video, please subscribe, and hit that notification bell, please. Am I begging? Yes, I'm begging. Please hit the notification bell. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by using the neem tea tree shampoo bar. It's supposed to remove buildup and stop itching of the scalp. Of late, my scalp has been itching me, so hopefully I'll see what this can do. It says here is vegan, moisturizing, and natural, so I'm putting my fingers crossed. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like inside the packet. This is what it looks like. It smells really good. So guys, my hair is definitely clean, very clean, and I think it has like some cooling sensation. The only problem I have with the shampoo bar is the packaging. I don't know, like, where will I keep it later? Do I have to wrap it back in the plastic it came with? I don't know. That's the only thing. But my hair feels really good and really clean, and it smells really nice. So now I'm going to check out the Babassu deep conditioner. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but the Babassu deep conditioner is vegan, obviously, pH balanced, and natural. Let me see what it's supposed to do. It's a protein-free treatment that repairs and reconstructs all hair textures and hair types. Strand strengthening Babassu oil will nourish, repair elasticity, soften, and add shine to your hair. Our moisturizing blend of avocado oil, rosemary essential oil, and panthenol will repair damage and hydrate your hair. See what this smells good. Smells like nature and vanilla. Smells really, really good. So let's see what this baby can do. Let me take down. I should probably see what I can do. Spark this back up. It's really, really thick, like really thick. It's okay. I'm not really feeling anything. Like it's not. It's just sitting on top of my hair, basically. So it feels more like a protein treatment. It really feels like a protein treatment. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be, but it does feel like protein treatment. Done. This is what my hair looks like. It's okay. I don't know. Like I'm not seeing any difference. Or I'm not feeling any difference. Like there's just something missing. I don't know what's missing. Sleep. No sleep at all. I don't know. But let's see how it goes. Um so you're supposed to cover your hair with plastic for 30 minutes and for intense deep conditioning add heat. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover my hair for 30 minutes. Or I'm thinking of carrying it overnight and seeing how it is tomorrow. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be doing till I feel like I just feel if I'm too lazy, then I'm going to leave it on overnight. If I'm not lazy, which is rarely the case, I'm going to wash it out. And then I'll try this. Let me just show you the what it looks like inside. It's like I don't know if you can see, it's like a jelly-like consistency. So this is the Curl Enhancing Custard, vegan, pH balanced, and natural, obviously. It says style your hair with this oil-enriched, alcohol-free, lightweight custard. This pH balanced formula is packed with antioxidants, rich in argan oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil that will leave your hair soft and shiny soft, shiny, and deeply moisturized. Perfect for wash and goes, finger curls, and soothing edges. Oh, smoothing edges. Yeah, and smoothing edges. So it's the next day. I know I'm looking tired, just getting up from bed, and I just want you guys to see my hair. Oh my god. Before I rinse the conditioner out. Oh, okay. That was really hot. Yeah, this is how it is, or this is how it looks actually. You guys can see. It feels soft though. I'm guessing it needed heat to actually work. I don't know, but it feels really soft. So let me just rinse it out, and I'll come back and show you guys how it actually looks and how it makes. And tell you guys how it makes my hair feel. Bye. So I'm back. I've rinsed it out on my hair, and this is how my hair looks. Just going to unravel the twist so you can see. My hair does feel soft, like feels really, really soft. And now I'm going to put this on my head, the Coil Enhancing Custard. So I'm just going to take, let's take this much, and so it's really thick and it combs my hair together, like it's really really thick. So today I'll be doing a loose twist. Just okay. This is how it looks. So now I'll just be taking this one and doing the same thing. Spray with water, work the water in, and add the custard. So I'm really really impressed with this. Like, look at my juicy twist. Like, my hair is juicy, its fat is thick, is luscious, it has length. Shrinkage isn't that bad at all. Like, I think the custard is the best out of the rest for me. The shampoo is okay, it's actually clarifying. I did a clarifying shampoo, so that's a good thing. The what do you call it again? Deep conditioner. The deep conditioner is okay, but I just need to add heat for it to work for my hair because I'm like, I have low porosity. And the curl enhancing custard is beautiful. Like, I can't wait to do a wash and go. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. You know, this is my hair, this is how it works for my hair, my type of hair. I don't know if you love the product, but you guys should go out and try it. You know, try it on your hand, see if your hair will come out looking this bomb. You know, support your black owned companies, please. Thank you.